Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from applecritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the latest update for the HomePod, which is 13.4.5. So Apple released iOS 13.5, iPadOS 13.5, and tvOS was also released, and it goes by 13.4.5. So just naturally, with all those updates in the pipeline, Apple went ahead and updated the HomePod for HomePod 13.4.5. Now, if you are wondering why the HomePod update is 13.4.5 and not 13.5 like iOS, well, the reason is that ever since the HomePod update for 13.4, the HomePod is now officially based off of tvOS instead of being based off of iOS. So it is now has a very close software structure to tvOS. So it's going to have better integration with the Apple TV in the near future. And I'm super excited for the upcoming updates for the HomePod. So now what we can do is just go ahead and talk about what the HomePod on 13.4.5 has to offer. So we can go into the Home app. And now once we're in the Home app, we can just tap on the HomePod. And then we can go into the settings. And then when we go into the HomePod settings, we can get some more information. So we can see everything about the HomePod. So we can just scroll all the way down. Now, if you take a look, you're going to see that we have the manufacturer, the serial number, the model, and the Wi-Fi address. And you can see for the software version, I'm running on 13.4.5. Now, if you ever wanted to know how to update the HomePod, we just go to the home screen and tap on the little house icon. And then we scroll all the way down to where it says speakers and TV. Then we tap on software update. And then we can automatically check install updates automatically like I did for my HomePod, or we can just turn it off and then just go ahead and install it manually. So you can see for the software version, once again, it says 13.4.5 and my HomePod software is up to date. Now, my general review with this update is that it's been very good. It fixed the stereo balance, so it used to be balanced more towards the left, but now it's even. It was just easy to automatically install it and very convenient, and it's a significant improvement in the overall sound interaction, and I felt like this was a major step towards making the HomePod a better smart speaker. Now, especially if you have the stereo HomePod, so let's say 4 in one room, that is when you're going to see that there's a noticeable update. But overall, Apple did not confirm any new features. All they said was just general improvements for stability and quality, and no new features were exactly mentioned. So that is basically what you can expect for the HomePod on 13.4.5. So thank you for watching this video on the HomePod 13.4.5 update. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Please be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment down below. And follow me on the social media platforms of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. My username there is Apple Critics. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe for more great content.